ULTIMEA Apollo S50.
Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Inside you'll find your ULTIMEA Apollo S50 soundbar, and some accessories. First, let's assemble the soundbar. Follow the steps in the video to complete the assembly of one soundbar. Please remember to connect the shells with the cable.
Connect the subwoofer to the sub-out port of the soundbar.
Now, it is being shown how to install the soundbar separately. Again, don't forget to connect the cable. Alright. It's time to connect your TV.
This video will show 4 common connections.
Firstly, connect to your TV via ARC output. ARC is preferred if your TV has an ARC or ERC output. HDMI in ports of the TV are not supported. To protect the soundbar for longer life, connect the HDMI cable and power cable according to the steps and then switch on the power.
Press ARC button on the remote control to select ARC input.
The soundbar's LED will display ARC. Select the correct audio output to change from the TV speakers to the ARC output. Now you can start enjoying the sound. When HDMI ARC is connected, CEC function supported. The TV's remote control can control the soundbar and TV simultaneously. 1. Turn on or off. 2. Adjust the volume. Let's try it out. Try controlling your TV and soundbar with the TV remote. Try the volume adjustment again, easy and fast, right? Finally, close with one click. Secondly, we show the optical connection. Remember to remove the protective cap.
Remove the protective cap from both ends.
Insert one end of the optical cable into your TV's optical out port. Then insert the other end into the optical port on the soundbar, and connect the power cord. The same, and finally connect the power supply.
Press Opt button on the remote control to select OPT input.
The soundbar's LED will display OPT. Select the correct audio output to change from the TV speakers to the optical output. Next, we will show the AUX connection.
Plug the straight end of the AUX cable into the AUX out port of the TV.
Then, insert the angled end of the AUX cable into the soundbar and connect the power cord.
The same, and finally connect the power supply.
Select the ARC mode via AUX button on the remote control. The soundbar's LED will display AUX.
Note: if you want to switch the output to another mode when aux is connected, you need to unplug both ends of the AUX cable from the devices before making the switch.
Prefer wireless, here, Bluetooth connection.
Press the BT button on the remote control.
The LED will display BT, voice prompt, pairing. Turn on Bluetooth setting of your phone.
Choose the name of ULTIMEA Apollo S50 to connect the soundbar. Connected.
When you hear the voice prompt connected from soundbar, the Bluetooth connection is successful. Also, if your TV supports Bluetooth output, you can connect the soundbar wirelessly.
Press the BT button on the remote control.
The LED will display BT, voice prompt, pairing. Turn on your TV's Bluetooth.
Choose the name of ULTIMEA Apollo S50 to connect the soundbar. Connected.
When you hear the voice prompt "connected" from Soundbar, the Bluetooth connection is successful. Sometimes you have followed the steps to connect, but there is no sound. Don't worry. All it takes is a TV setup, TV PCM settings. Take the example of the TV in the video, settings, sound, expert settings, digital output audio format, PCM. Different TVs may have different setup steps. Normally as below, settings, sound, digital audio format, PCM.